You only live once. If you have pain from a recent trauma like a car accident or ongoing chronic pain, don't let back and neck pain keep you from doing your job, enjoying your family, performing everyday tasks. Don't think twice. Come to the Spine and Pain Centers of New Jersey and New York, and we'll help you live your life to the fullest. Your first step towards relief is a comprehensive evaluation at Spine and Pain Centers. You'll get an in-depth evaluation by the area's most elite team of pain management physicians, who are also trained in internal medicine, orthopedics, and neurosurgery.
We combine the highest quality care and attention with the latest technology for safe, accurate, minimally invasive treatments with extraordinary results.
I can function at work and at home, and for the first time in a long time, I feel like I've got my life back. I owe it all to the Spine and Pain Centers.
Call 877-463-3950 today to schedule a comprehensive evaluation at a Spine and Pain Centers near you for caring service, effective care, and a full, productive, happy life.